Hi, I'm Ari, an optical engineer here at Prizmatix, and this is Dr. Asaf Deutsch.
Hi.
Our engineering manager. Today we'll discuss and explain the Prizmatix LED modularity and versatility system. So what we have here in front of us are several Prizmatix LED heads. This is our UHP-T, and this is our mic LED. Okay? Several wavelengths. We want to combine them into one single collimated output.
As you can see, the beam combiner has several apertures. Each cube has two inputs and a single output. The choice of LED determines the specific beam combiner, and we tailor this to the customer needs.
So, this cube would combine these two wavelengths, the red and the green, into one single collimated output.
Yes, exactly. We can combine other wavelengths according to your specific needs.
Okay, so now let's talk about what we call structural modularity.
We follow a design principle where all our LED heads attach to the beam combiners in the same way. Our system also ensures perfect centralization of the beam, so no vignetting or shadowing occur because of misalignment.
Okay, so let's show them how easy attachment and assembly is.
Okay.
So I'll take the head and the beam combiner, put them together, and tighten two screws. We also have minimal power loss this way, and the beams are stacked and perfectly centered. You have a very homogeneous field of view. Okay. We can also connect additional beam combiners and form a larger system with just one output.
We can connect large systems like this, up to 5 to 6 LEDs.
Wow. Okay, again, perfectly centered. We also have a tool on our website that allows you to calculate power, output, and see the wavelengths. It looks like this.
It's a complete system design tool. We'll post a link in the description.
Okay. This concludes our modularity tutorial. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.